Alright everybody, so today we're going to be opening up this HP Z230 small form factor workstation using GPU. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting this GT730 into this computer. So I already took out one of these PCIe brackets for this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove anything that's blocking away and slowly glide the GPU in until you can put this onto there. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push down. It may seem a bit forceful, but once you do that, that means it's in, once you hear that click. So I'm going to pause the video and hook up some cables to this thing so that I can show you how it works. Okay, so now that the GPU's in, you have to clip this into place. And then you can put your side panel on. And now, what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you guys my monitor. And now we have the power button. And it should display. There, see? And we're booting into Windows. So anyway, that's how you would change your GPU. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.